This is the only fully automatic vacuum packaging machine in the complete range. It's equipped with an automatic lid, removable conveyor belts, and an outfeed conveyor. This double chamber has an adjustable belt height and a seal mechanism mounted in the lid. These models are standard equipped with Advanced Control System, also known as ACS. ACS offers a full color screen with an intuitive graphic interface and an animated packaging cycle. This robust double-chamber model has an optional external transport conveyor. By means of the stop button, the cycle can be interrupted at all times. To continue, press Reset and pull out the button. In case of entrapment, a special sensor activates the emergency stop. Just press Reset to continue.